Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another Arc Garage video. Today I'm gonna do a full tutorial on front end bulb replacement for Alfa Romeo Giulietta. I'm gonna start with the headlights, more specifically with this indicator bulb right here. To get to it, I'm gonna turn it counterclockwise and I'm gonna wiggle it out of place. Here it is. The bulb type is going to be PY24W. Now to get it off, I'm gonna press these two tabs on the sides and I'm just gonna twist it off. I'm gonna continue on this left side since it is a bit harder. Now to gain access to the rest of the bulbs, I'm gonna remove this tube from the washer tank. I'm just gonna twist it a little bit and pull it up. You can see right down there where it plugs in. As I said, I'm just gonna twist it a bit and pull it up. And there it is. Now the only thing that holds this plastic piece in place is that rubber gasket down there. I'm gonna remove this protective cover that's gonna give me the access to the high beam bulb. Here's a better look. So there's your connector, and you can also see the metal clips which hold it in place. I'm gonna start by pulling the connector off, and I'm gonna pull these metal clips toward myself and to the side. Now there's the one right there. I'm gonna do the same for the other one, and now I got clear access to the bulb. I can just pull it out. The bulb type is going to be H1. I'm gonna reach down and remove the protective cover for the low beam. There it is. And again, I'm gonna pull the connector off gently. Now when it comes to this metal clip, I'm gonna push it in and down. There it is, and now I can pull out the H7 bulb. Moving on to the side indicators. Now these are also LEDs and they don't have the conventional incandescent bulbs inside of them. However, if one of them goes bad, or if you want to replace them for the new ones, you got this little plastic clip on the side. Let me try to give you a better look. Now, so if you want to remove them, just press on this little clip and push the indicator out. Now to undo this connector, you got one plastic clip on the side. Just press on it and pull the connector off. Just like that. Lastly, we got the hardest one, and it's gonna be the fog light. Now there are two methods to remove this plastic trim piece. Now the previous owner pulled it off, and as you can see, he broke all of these plastic clips. Now that's not too much of an issue. You can just put a little bit of insulation tape on it and it's gonna stay in place. You can see that it even stayed in place just like this because there is no pressure pushing on it from the inside. If you decide to use this method, you can basically just use a piece of wire like this and pull on the trim piece from behind. But as I said, you are definitely gonna break these clips. The proper way to remove it would be from underneath, and to do that you gotta remove all of the protective plastic pieces. Now finally I got the access to the plastic clips. You got 3 at the top, you got 3 at the bottom. Here are 2. This one is a bit harder to see, and you got 1 more on the side. I'm gonna use my flathead screwdriver to press on the clips, and I'm just gonna push them out. Before I remove this trim piece, let me just tell you that this hole gives you the access to a Phillips screw, which essentially allows you to adjust the angle of the fog light. Now I'm just gonna pull the trim piece off, and we're gonna have access to all of the screws. Now here is the adjustment Phillips screw at the bottom, and we got 3 more Torx T30 screws to remove. Now you can just pull the fog light out. To undo the connector, pull this plastic clip up and pull it off. Now I'm gonna twist this plastic piece clockwise, and now you can see you can't take it off all the way, but you won't need to. Now push on these metal clips and push them to the side. I'm gonna pull this wire off, and now I can just pull the bulb out. Now this bulb is going to be H3. As I said before, if you break some of these clips, it's not a big deal. You can put some insulation tape over it, and it's gonna help it stay in place. So I'm gonna put this piece back, and you can see even if I pull on it, it's not going anywhere. Anyway, that would be all for this video. I hope you find it useful. If you liked it, hit a like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of his team.